Hello, today we will learn about sinkholes in the Dead Sea area. There are different types of sinkholes all around the world. We will focus on those in the area of the Dead Sea. Sinkholes are large, wide, deep holes that are created suddenly as a result of the ground collapsing inwards. When looking at the ground, you do not notice anything, and then suddenly, all at once, the ground gives way and a large hole appears, like in the picture. Sinkholes are created when a large cavity is formed underground. The cavity grows and grows and grows until the thin layer of ground on top of the hole collapses inwards and suddenly a sinkhole is created. There are many sinkholes in the Dead Sea area. Sinkholes are formed due to a combination of factors. One is the unique type of soil in the area that includes a layer of salt deep underground. Another factor is the phenomenon of dehydration of the Dead Sea, which causes its level to sink each year. Here we see the level of the sea sinking, and with the salt water, a layer of sweet groundwater is also sinking. The sweet water reaches the deep layer of salt underground and dissolves the salt. Thus a cavity is formed deep underground. The cavity grows until the thin layer of ground on top collapses inwards and suddenly a large hole is created and a sinkhole is formed. Sinkholes cause a lot of damage, including damage to the tourism in the area, damage to the infrastructure and agriculture of the area. It can also cause injury to the flora and fauna of the area, and sinkholes also endanger people's lives. Eli Raz, a known sinkhole research scientist, fell into a sinkhole with his tractor. Thank God he was safely rescued. Construction of this bridge was costly and included a lot of labor and hard work. It incorporated special sensors to warn about impending sinkholes, and even so, nature is stronger than man, and in 2015, a sinkhole formed in the vicinity of the bridge, rendering it useless, and the bridge was permanently closed. What can be done to rectify the situation? Does a solution even exist? Experts disagree about which method would improve the situation, and thus operative decisions are delayed. There is an opinion that nature should be left alone and allowed to correct itself. The question is, what can we do to protect nature and the wonderful world we were granted? Thank you for listening.